Hi guys, Jay here with TLCMKT.com, back with a quick video for you. This one is out of Brooklyn, where our driver shown here gets rear-ended after coming to a stop in traffic. One very important note to mention before we start. According to Section 605 of the New York State Vehicle and Traffic Law, all drivers involved in reportable motor vehicle accidents are required to fill out and file their own accident reports within 10 days of the date of accident, or DMV may suspend your driver's license until your report is received. Police departments are no longer filling out reports for traffic accidents. It is up to the driver to do so. We will be linking to another video that details on how to fill this form out. Now, as we watch this, you will see our driver traveling east on the BQE approaching the Brooklyn Bridge exit. He notices traffic building up in the right and center lanes, forcing him to come to a complete stop. You can see the driver gets jerked forward after being rear-ended from the vehicle behind. No serious injuries, fortunately, more so shock and frustration than anything else. As we take a second look, it appears as though the driver may have been attempting to merge into the left lane, but in fact does not. Regardless, the driver in the rear does not allow enough distancing between the two vehicles, therefore causing this rear-end accident. The two parties exchange information, but as I stated before, NYPD will not be filling out reports for traffic accidents. This will be up to all drivers involved. The impact isn't too severe, but as you can see, there is rear-end damage and front-end damage to both vehicles. So stay safe, folks. Are you a TLC driver who has dashcam footage that you want to share? Reach out to us at info@tlcmkt.com. Every video sent to us that receives 1,000 views in the first 15 days will receive a $50 gas card. Don't forget to hit that like button and click to subscribe for more videos like this.